Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency on crypto.com. First, ensure your account is fully set up and verified, which typically involves identity checks. Next, you'll need to link a payment method. A debit card offers instant purchases, while bank transfers might take a few business days. Once your payment is ready, open the Crypto.com app and locate the buy option to begin your purchase journey. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. After accessing the buy section, you'll see a wide array of cryptocurrencies available. Take your time to browse through them, from popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer altcoins. It's crucial to research each coin to understand its underlying technology and use case. Think about your personal investment strategy and what you hope to achieve, whether it's long-term holding versus short-term trading. Make an informed decision before proceeding. Once you've selected your desired cryptocurrency, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to purchase. You can enter a fiat currency amount, like $100, or a specific crypto quantity. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details, including the exchange rate and any associated fees. Crypto.com clearly displays these. Finally, confirm your purchase using your security PIN or biometric authentication. Your new crypto will then appear in your wallet almost instantly. With your purchase complete, it's important to actively manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Regularly check its performance and consider setting price alerts. Crypto.com also offers features like staking, where you can earn rewards on certain assets and crypto earned for interest. These can help grow your holdings over time. Remember to explore the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience. Always stay informed about market developments and platform updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.